Welcome to a more energy-efficient future with Citizen Housing. Being comfortable in your home is very important, and we are here to help you achieve this. Along with Coventry City Council and supported by the government, we are investing over £65 million to improve your homes, and we want to tell you a bit more about it. Before any work begins, our expert surveyors carefully inspect your home to ensure it's ready and suitable for the energy efficiency measures to be installed. The survey results go to our dedicated designers, who look at what energy efficiency measures your home needs. If your property is selected, we will need to erect scaffolding so our skilled contractors can extend your roof to line up with the new insulation on the outside of your home. They will then fix thick insulation boards and various waterproofing materials to the outside walls. If you have any satellite dishes or telephone lines attached to the outside of your home, these will be removed and temporarily installed on the scaffold. Our skilled craftsmen will finish off the insulation by applying the final waterproof layer, making your home not only energy efficient, but also look as good as new. In some cases, we will make the final finish look like a brick wall, just like it was before we insulated. We may also have to replace fascias, soffits and gutters if they are required. New or replacement energy-efficient extractor fans will be fitted in your bathroom and kitchen to make sure clean air is circulated around your home all the time. If needed, we'll make sure your internal doors have a gap underneath them to ensure fresh air circulates around your newly insulated home. Otherwise, it could get quite stuffy, as there will be no more drafts. Inside we check, and if needed, we will add thick loft insulation, ensuring your home is even more warm in the winter. Once all of the energy improvement measures are finished, we will put back any telephone lines and satellite dishes, safely remove the scaffolding, and your home and garden will be cleared of any building materials. A surveyor will check the works are completed correctly and will complete a new energy certificate for the property. Dedicated liaison officers will support you through the process, and we will provide contact details for everyone involved so you can reach out in a way that suits you and get the answers to any questions you have.